which is the Lynx Mark 9, which was the last Lynx Mark in British military service, which was given a wheeled undercarriage. The Army Lynx like this carry up to 12 troops in the cabin, an internal cargo of £2,000 and £3,000 underslung load, and a wide array of armament. The main armament carried by the Army Lynx was the tow missile, that being tube-launched, optically tracked, wire-guided, for use against enemy tanks. Door-mounted guns could also be fitted, and this one I think has a dummy gun in the fuselage side door. Army Lynx and Army Gazelles would have operated together to counter any Warsaw-backed armoured advance during the Cold War, for example over the North German plain. With the Gazelle acting as the aerial observation post, the spotter, and the Lynx providing the armed anti-tank element, both operating of course at very low level over the battlefield, so can knacker the air flying. The Lynx's service went much wider than that. Both the Army and the Navy used them to great effect during Operation Desert Storm, the first Gulf War of 1991. We think some of the RAF tornadoes and Jaguars in particular connection with that conflict, but helicopters and cannons other types were there too. And it was an Army Air Corps Lynx Mark 1 that destroyed 2 Iraqi armoured personnel carriers and 4 T-55 tanks on the war in February 1994. Replaced with both the Army Air Corps and the Royal Navy by a much developed offshoot, in fact in reality a completely different airframe, the Augusta Westland, or now Leonardo helicopters Wildcat. The 1968 Westland manufacturer kept one of the London. He also flew with the Army's much-loved Blue Eagles helicopter team, and by the time it was retired by the Army in 2013, it had notched up some 6,000 flying hours. It was then used as a donor airframe for the Wildcat program. The airframe was stripped, the Ministry of Defence disposed of it in 2017, and then Graham Hinckley acquired it. He's owned many historic aircraft types, including many helicopters, and initially he was going to use it as literally a static garden ornament at his home. He then decided to embark on a return to flight. Wheeled Aviation at North Wheeled did that. It carried out its first hover in 2021, 2 days before Christmas, and its first proper flight on the 14th of February 2022, and its display debut was at Old Warden in May of this year. And when we used to see the Army Lynx displaying with the Blue Eagles, they used to perform some quite outstanding aerobatics, particularly the backflip. Well, that's not possible now in civilian hands, but nonetheless we can see something in this display of the agility of the Lynx and of its pace, because it's a modified Lynx, weapon used as a company demonstrator, which still holds the world absolute speed record for a helicopter of just over 400 kilometers per hour, which it set back in 1986. As for the Gazelle, well, it's used by all three services, the RAF, Royal Navy, and the Army Air Force training. And I say the Army employed them for observation work, and it's only with the Army Air Force that the Gazelle is still in service, albeit in dwindling numbers and due soon for retirement. They've been very popular in civilian hands. This one's the next Royal Navy example, used by 705 Naval Air Squadron, and it flew as part of their Sharks helicopter display team. Graham Hinckley bought it in 2022. While it's in civilian colours, there's a nod to its Sharks history, to the markings you might be able to make out on the tail. And they're both of them giving us a bow to complete their sequence. This, we believe, the first time since about 2007 that a combined Lynx and Gazelle display has been seen. Back then that was the composition of the Blue Eagles team.